Hi, little friends. And today, we're going to visit a magical farm. This is a special place where vegetables grow. And we're going to learn the names of some of them. Are you ready? Let's explore the farm together. Wow, look at all these vegetables. They come in different shapes and colors. Let's learn their names one by one. Carrots. The carrots is orange and crunchy. Tomato. A tomato is red and juicy. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a small green tree. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is wide and healthy. Cucumber. Cucumber is long and green. Potato. The potato grows underground. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is orange inside. Lettuce. Lettuce is leafy and green. Onion. The onion can make you cry. Corn. Corn is yellow and grows tall. Peas. Peas are small and green. Green beans. Green beans are long and crunchy. Eggplants. An eggplant is purple and shiny. Mushroom. Mushrooms are small and wide. Olive. Olives are small and grow on trees. Beet. A beet is round and red. Radish. Radishes are small and spicy. Spinach. Spinach makes you strong. Celery. Celery is long and very crunchy. Pepper. Peppers come in many colors. Children, repeat after me. Carrot. Carrot. Tomato. Tomato. Broccoli. Broccoli. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cucumber. Cucumber. Potato. Potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Lettuce. Lettuce. Onion. Onion. Corn. Corn. Peas. Peas. Green beans. Green beans. Eggplant. Eggplant. Mushroom. Mushroom. Olive. Olive. Beet. Beet. Radish. Radish. Spinach. Spinach. Celery. Celery. Pepper. Pepper.
Thank you for watching.